Hi, my name is Martin Fierro, and I'm here at the Marine Recruiting Station, Valley Central Way in Lancaster, California. It's a Type B use group for business, and Type 2 Bravo construction. So let's go inside and take a look. Inside here we got up here the emergency lighting system. That's designed to turn on in the event of a power outage. The light consists of one or more incandescent bulbs or one or more clusters of high intensity LEDs. The light heads are usually either par 36 sealed beams or wedge based lamps. Most individual light sources can be rotated and aimed for where light is needed, such as toward an exit. Modern fixtures have a test button that temporarily overrides the unit and operate in battery power. The batteries are commonly made of lead calcium and can last for 10 years or more. The fire code requires a minimum of 90 minutes of battery power during a power outage. Testing on those units are monthly and annually. And then up here we have the smoke detectors. There's a typically based in a disc-shaped plastic enclosure about 150 millimeters in diameter and 25 millimeters thick. Most smoke detectors work either by optical detection, which is photoelectric or physical process ionization, while some use both to increase sensitivity. The optical detector is a light sensor. It includes a light source, lens to culminate the light into a beam, and a photoelectric sensor at an angle to the beam as a light detector. In the absence of smoke, light passes in front of the detector in a straight line. When smoke enters the optical chamber, light is scattered by the smoke particles, directing it at the sensor and thus triggering the alarm. The ionization detector is cheaper but sometimes rejected because of its false alarms. The radiation passes through an ionization chamber and permits a small constant current between the electrodes. Any smoke that enters the chamber absorbs the alpha particles, reducing the ionization and interrupts the current, setting off the alarm. This is an ionization detector up here. Alright, and over here we got the fire detector in the back room. Don't get this top one. Let's see. This is a class A, B, and C fire extinguisher for ordinary combustibles, liquids, and electrical equipment. It's hung, like mounted just like it's supposed to be, but behind the door, I don't know about that. Alright, pause. Here we have another fire extinguisher. It is also an A, B, and C fire extinguisher. It's just in the back rooms, quicker access. Then over here we have another emergency lighting system. Up there, we have a fuse box, turn off the power in the building. And also an exit sign, well illuminated as you can tell. And up here we have another exit sign. Exits and directional signs shall have luminance in the face not less than 50 lux. Lux is the SI unit of illuminance and luminous emittance, measuring luminous power per area. Block lettering at least 6 inches in height with a stroke not less than 3¼ inches are to be the lettering, and the letters shall be in a strong contrast to the sign's background. Also, right outside here, outside the door, we have the electrical circuit board, the circuit breakers rather, and just to shut off all the electricity that goes throughout the building. Also here at the back of the building, we have the gas shutoff, in case the gas needs to be shut off during the fire, or what have you, any emergency. So this is where that's located, also the back of the building. Alright, this hydrant is a dresser low pressure hydrant. It's got a 4.5 inch connection and a 2.5 inch connection. It's got a main and a drain valve, both operated by this nut. These hydrants will provide 10 to 15% more water discharge than the Smith hydrant. Alright, here's the plot plan. As you can see, it's on the corner of West Avenue J and 25th Street West. Here's the building right here. The Marines building, the Navy building, the Army building. This is also Food for Less. The electrical shutoff is right here outside of the exit discharge right here, and then the gas shutoff is over here. Here's the front entrance. Here is a hydrant, back of the building, another hydrant, the water shutoff, and as you can see, pointing north. Alright, here we got the floor plan. Here's where the entrance at this exit, and for the legend, triangle is exit sign. There's an exit sign right here, and one up here. And then the emergency lighting system, which is a green rectangle, is right here and right here. The fire extinguisher is located in this little area, in this little room, and back of this hallway. And there's one smoke detector in this whole building, which I don't know about. code-wise, but there's only one right there. And your exit access, exit discharge. And the building itself is 50 by 15 feet.